Hello, Zoe.
Hello.
Where is Professor Robinson?
Now that is a very good question. Professor Robinson has given orders that you not be allowed to leave the ship.
Where is Mrs. Robinson?
Interesting question. I saw Mrs. Robinson in the galley, preparing a fabulous meal.
Where is Judy Robinson?
It's funny you should ask me that. Judy Robinson was fooling around with Don West.
Who is Don West?
An interesting question to ask a robot. I believe that Don West is working on the chariot on the other side of the valley.
Where is Penny Robinson?
I'll have to compute on that one. I think the bloop kissed Penny Robinson.
Do you know where Penny Robinson is?
Really? You are asking me that? I don't believe Penny Robinson ever got naked with any little alien boy.
Where can I find Penny Robinson?
I'll have to compute on that one. Penny Robinson had a pet bloop named Debbie.
Where is Will Robinson?
Interesting. Who the heck is Will Robinson?
What is Dr. Smith up to?
My. That is a difficult question. Dr. Smith has used up all of the drinking water to wash his hair.
If you want to see more stuff about Zoe the Robot, go to zoetherobot.net.